So today we're in the Stringer Forest, and today we're gonna do another primitive cooking. I did film one yesterday. I'm not gonna be able to post it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post it today. I have a lot of videos I need to post, so this may be the number one that's gonna be posted today. I've got my assistant right there, Cole. Right, Cole, are you my assistant? Just looks at me like, yo, what are you talking about? Alright, we're gonna go pick up some sticks for wood because I have no more left from yesterday's video. So I'll see you in a minute. You have anything to say to the camera? Oh, you said subscribe to hit 50 subscribers? Is that a good goal for the end of the summer? Yeah? Alright. So yeah, you heard it up, boys. It's 50 subscribers by the end of the month, or the end of the summer. And we'll do a 50 sub special. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, maybe bass fishing. So tell all your family and friends to subscribe, and yeah, give me the 50 subscribers by the end of the month. So summer. That's a lot to ask, but I think you guys can do it. Thanks for the help, Cole. Just amazing assistant. Helps so much. Yeah, helps quite a bit. Amazing assistant. Helps so much. Love him. Yep. I ain't doing any hard work. He's just pushing it. Are you gonna help? Are you gonna help now? Are you camera shy? No, you're not. Yes. Are you showing everybody your stick? Hey, bring it to the fire pit. Come on, Cole. Good boy. Come on, baby. Come on. Bring the stick. We're working on it. Just give us some time. Couple logs down. Couple more to go. I about dropped you guys. I feel outrageously stupid for the clothing I'm wearing right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm wearing shorts in the middle of the woods. I feel ashamed. I mean, I didn't think there was that many bugs. Okay, yeah, I did. I just didn't want to put pants on. It's like a hot, humid morning out here, and that's why I didn't put pants on, so I don't know. But, gee, I found a board. We're gonna get some sticks off this guy, dead sticks right there, and I'm probably gonna pick you back up when something interesting happens, or when we're at the fire stage. We're gonna do cooking a sirloin steak. I think that'll be enough wood. So yeah, sorry the bug my ear. See you in a minute. Got everything here? Oh, no, not that. These two. We got a little Dutch oven there. I call it Dutch oven because look at it. We made this. Okay? Rock and mud. Like an ash mud. The inside. You probably see the coals maybe? Well, yeah. Because we cooked on that yesterday. Man, was that good. I mean, that bread was just delicious. Although the burn was probably not the best. Bread's hard to do. For the first time ever making bread, that was hard. But it was really, really good. Then we made a sirloin steak, which we're actually going to make now. We're going to finish the last one off. So, yeah, stay tuned. So this right here is what we're looking at to wrap. There it is. I don't know if the lighting's any good, but that's a good looking sirloin steak. We're gonna have to leave it wrapped up in this wrapper here because I need the wrap. I guess the wrap. I don't know, but the actual wrap. I need it for starter because I forgot the cardboard. Hopefully that takes off here. The reason why I have this stick, it goes right there. It's kind of hot right now. I don't want to make it weak, so and char it up yet. So, yeah. Awesome. I'll get back with you guys when I'm ready to cook. Sorry, it's been a lot of talking, but that's the way to go, I guess. So right now there's not much heat. That's okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang my stick right here. Right there is a little, okay, it gets a little warm, but, and I'm going to hang my meat over it. I'm going to hang it so it's like jerky, and I'll thin it out a little bit, and when I do that, it's going to cook it for a long time. Make it kind of like jerky, but it's hard to explain, so I'll show you in a minute when I get it on. What you're going to want to do for this jerky side, set up on my 7-Up here, Diet 7-Up. Just one lamb steak right here. See it there? Back it up a little bit. That's a little easier for you guys to see. You take it and you're gonna cut there. So you get a good little chunk of meat there. I'm gonna do it all whole steak there. Or sirloin. Yeah, and I don't know if you can see him in the background. It's Cole. He's really hungry. I'm gonna give him a piece. Why not? I'm gonna hurt him. So I'm gonna cut. It's still a little long. I'm gonna cut it in half, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in half, and that'll be easier to cook. Hang it on the fire. I learned this off from my dad, so get out there and enjoy the outdoors. I ain't gonna be there forever. So, yeah. This is a little thin, but it's good now. Oh, sorry, the camera just moved up a bunch there. The table is unstable. That rhymes. So I'm just gonna do this until we're pretty much done. So I'll see you in a minute. I told you, he's right behind me. Aren't you, Cole? Yes. He's funny. Alright. Sorry, I dropped you again. There's what the finished product looks like. Nice and thin. These are good ones right there. I will leave a couple of pieces for my mom, dad, and brother. And obviously Cole. So I won't be eating a whole bunch of this. So that one there. That one. And that one. And I'll give Cole this piece. So, yeah. Evenly distributed for the most part. I'm going to eat all that. So, yeah. I did have to mess with the fire a little bit. It kind of went out. I'll fix that. It's going a little bit. But I'll fix that. See you in a minute when we're cooking. Just got done fiddling with the fire. I got to sharpen this stick back up. Makes it easier to put the meat on. There we go. Good enough for meat. Go ahead and put the meat on here. One, two. Alright, I'll just show you in it when we're done. Anybody up for a meat kebab? Heck yeah, boys. Let's get this thing on the fire. Here we go. No. I'm sorry. No. Not hiding in my shoe. No. I don't know if you saw him. Spider. No. Slow roast. Nice, smoky flavor. It'll be awesome. Yeah, so I bet you guys can do this too. I think yesterday's video involved doing this, but I did the whole steak at once, so I messed it really up bad. Then I skinned it out like this, and it looks a lot better now, and it cooks a lot better, and you don't eat raw meat. So yeah. Not sure there's much heat here. Nope. Okay. Plenty heat here. We're gonna move them down. I'll catch you in a minute. That's looking good. All right. Well, I get muffled by the sound of a tractor in the background. I'll catch y'all when it's done. Do you ever see a bird that worries you? He's right there. You probably cannot see him, but I'm gonna go ahead and look at this. On the black trailer, the one farthest to this side, he's right by the tire. There. He just ran into it. Maybe you hear him, maybe you don't. But he runs into the mirrors and he poops all over the cars. He really worries me. I mean, the meat is looking great, but he's not. I really don't know if you guys can see him there, but he's at it with that. He can see himself in the reflection of the aluminum or steel, whatever it was. Yeah. And he sees himself in glass mirrors all the time. One time he saw him in my window, the Dumb Cardinal video or Wow Cardinal video. Same guy. I know it because he's the only one around. So a couple are done. How do you think of that? I think it's good, right? Lick my fingers good? Well, he likes it. Let's see if we approve. We have one more piece of his done. I'm going to go ahead and put the other ones on the fire real quick, and I'll catch you in a minute when I eat that.